Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by opening Automator so you can build an automated task quickly. Choose New Document and pick Workflow or Quick Action depending on where you want it to run. Make sure to set the input type, files, folders, or text, because Automator filters actions based on that. Once that is selected, you'll see the library of actions on the left. Drag the first relevant action into the main pane to begin constructing the sequence that will perform the work for you. Now you assemble the middle of the automation by dragging actions into a logical order. Start simple and add complexity step by step. Configure each action's parameters and link outputs to inputs so the data flows correctly. For example, use get specified Finder items, then apply image settings or rename Finder items. Once done, test small parts with run to catch errors, and insert variables or loop actions if you need. You finish by running the complete workflow and observing results so you can refine any settings and ensure output matches expectations. Save the automation as an app, quick action, or service to run it from Finder, the Services menu, or a keyboard shortcut. If something goes wrong, make sure Automator has permission in System Settings, then test actions individually to isolate the issue. Once fixed, rerun the whole flow to confirm reliability, and close with a final save.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.